So after we have logged in to our CoursEval accounts, this is our home page or dashboard for our CoursEval sites. So if we have taught courses for semester 2, 2020-2021, the most recent semester, we are going to have this view on our home page. And at this point, we can view the report for the relative course. Here we would have the course code, the course name, and we can also view the response rate. If we have not taught courses during the last semester, semester 2, then this is what we would see in our window for our home page of our course site. Now we have two options to view these reports for download. We can click on the View Past Reports option, and the better option or the more recommended option is actually clicking on the Reports tab to the top left of the page and then selecting Evaluation Reports. We urge that you do not select Recent Reports, Individual Reports, or Survey Intelligence Report. Please select Evaluation Reports. After selecting this, our resultant page is a list of the courses that we have taught which have been evaluated using CoursEval for the period 2016 to 2017. Now, an important thing to take note of is the drop-down options or the filters at the top of the page. So we want to leave these as we see illustrated here: type as standard, year show all, period show all, status, survey, and department show all. Now when we have the show all filter selected, it means that our list below will include all the years, as in this example 2017, 18, 19, 16, and so forth, for which we have taught courses and the evaluations are available. If we wanted to download our reports by years, we would simply select the year that we want and the period, which is the semester that we are focusing on. After we've made the necessary choices for our filters, the next thing we want to pay attention to is our view option. So by clicking on the view option, we want to select individual. Comparative is most likely going to be pre-selected, but please select the individual view reports. After we've selected individual view, we want to move across to the right side of the screen in the include column, and this allows us to select which course we would like to view or print a report for. So it is important that we do not select the include all option, since this would force the system to generate one PDF report for all of our courses taught over the last 5 years. We recommend that we create unique reports or individual reports for each of these courses. So we are selecting one, then downloading, then the other, then download, and so forth. So now that we've selected which course we want to generate the report for, we then click on the PDF option, and this is going to give us the view shown here. And at this point, we can execute the command relative to our operating system to save the PDF to a safe digital location. Another option is, after we've selected the course that we want to generate the report for, we can click on the print option. This option has been described by many as being more user-friendly. So when we have our print option as shown here, we can again execute the relevant command to save this as a PDF document. And again, we are urging all to please save these reports to a safe location for your records. We hope that this guide has been helpful. For any further information or assistance, you can feel free to contact us via email at SECL reports, all one word, so SECL reports @sta.uwi.edu.